This is a short video on how to do a purl stitch using the English method. To start, a purl stitch is done by going through the stitch on the needle from the back to the front, and then taking your yarn and wrapping it around the needle and pulling it through, like so. Okay, from the back to the front, wrap, pull through. Back to the front, pull through. Now you need to remember that you need to wrap counterclockwise around the needle. Okay, this maintains the right stitch orientation for doing the purl stitch. Okay, so this is how you do it the English method. And here we have a row of purl stitches completed. When you do the purl stitches, the bumps appear on the front rather than on the back like they are when you do the knit stitch.